These videos are presented for educational purposes, intended to highlight the potential consequences of unsafe driving practice. They are not intended to sensationalize or glorify accidents, but rather to promote awareness and responsible behavior on the road. Remember that safety on the road is of paramount importance. Obey traffic laws, use seatbelts, avoid distractions, and drive responsibly. This challenger was trying to run away from the police, and this is why you should never do this. Fortunately, no one was seriously hurt.
Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck.
If you wanna see how the idiots look like, just watch. This driver is not wearing any safety gears and driving recklessly through the street. Black car in front was slowing down because of the icy road. The car behind couldn't stop on time and bumped into him. The driver obviously failed to check both ways before making left turn. Bad driver. A man was distracted with his phone and paid the price. Please never lose your concentration on the road. The situation was really scary, but fortunately she had a good enough reaction to avoid the terrible collision. Luckily, the speed was not very high, so there were no serious consequences. And this happened in Virginia. How couldn't he see a truck reaching him? Really poor driving. Vehicle coming from the left ran through red light, and his insurance is paying for the damage.
Off-roading in Maryland, yeah.
This bad driver missed the turn and decided to go off-road.
Break, we're gonna hit.
The driver didn't expect it to be so slick. Luckily, the crossroad was empty, so he didn't get serious damage. This is what happens when you change lanes without looking in your mirror. The driver said he didn't remember the accident because he had blacked out just before it. Thanks God, everyone was fine. He decided to swerve into the bus lane to avoid a collision, but made it even worse, hitting at least 4 cars. Lady tried to make a turn but did it without looking. Moreover, that turn was illegal in this situation. With such a great reaction, this driver should be a professional racer. And here it was impossible to react, as the vehicle came out of nowhere. You better control your rage. A driver tried to cut a car in front, but crashed into road barrier. Sometimes it's really better to remain calm. He is either idiot and extremely lucky, or idiot and extremely talented. With such crazy driving, it's a miracle the car didn't hit anybody. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for not to miss new videos on our channel. See you soon, friends.